Good morning, student of class 2. I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start revision of chapter number 2, role of computers. Okay, and also discuss the exercise question answer from this chapter. Okay, and this is the syllabus of the first term examination. I have already completed all 4 chapters. Okay, but all of you need to read each and every chapter very carefully for your examination. Okay, and today I am going to start revision of chapter number 2, role of a computer. This is the content of this chapter, and in this video I am going to discuss uses of a computer and role of computer in teaching learning. Okay, now move on to the main topic. So we all know that computer as an electronic machine and computer is a smart machine also. Okay, so a computer is a smart machine and nowadays it is being used to do number of tasks. Okay, it is used for doing normal day-to-day tasks such as typing letters, watching movies, booking movie tickets. Okay, and as well as doing complex tasks such as sending rockets into space. So nowadays we can use the computer in every places. Okay, next is uses of a computer. We may have seen computer being used at many places such as homes, school, hospital, railway station, airports, banks, shopping malls and offices. And computer are also used in fields of designing, defense, space research and making animated movies. So nowadays we use the computer to do different tasks in different places. Okay, like home, school, hospital, railway station, airport, bank, shopping mall, office, etc. Okay, so now I am going to discuss each of the places one by one. Okay, first is at home. So the computer is used to send and receive electronic mails. Okay, we easily send and receive electronic mails at home. Next is we can easily listen to music and watch movies and play games by using the computer. Next is we can search for any type of information on any topic by using a computer. Okay, next is we can make project by using a computer. Next is we can find meaning of words using a computer. Last is we can solve sums using a computer. We all know that computer is a smart machine and we can easily do different types of complex calculation by using the computer. Okay, so these are the few uses of a computer at home. Next is in school. There are lots of use uh, of the computer in school. First is teacher can use computer to prepare timetables. Okay, timetables means school routine. Okay, so teacher can use the computer to prepare timetables. Next is a teacher can use the computer for making test paper and reports cards. Okay, next is teacher can use computer for typing schedules and circulars, examination circulars, holiday circulars. Okay, so a teacher can use the computer for typing schedules and circulars. Next is we can draw and color picture in a computer at school. Next is we can use computer used in a library to keep records of all books. Okay, this is the picture of a library. Okay, so computer are used in library to keep records of books. Next is teacher can use computer while teaching the student. Okay, so these are the few uses of a computer in school. Next is in hospital. Here you can see the two images here. Okay, so the doctors in the hospital, the doctors can diagnose a patient's illness. Okay, the doctors can diagnose a patient illness. And in this image, picture number 2, doctor is examining a patient's eyes. Okay, so first is a computer can be used to record and monitor person's heartbeat. Okay, the computer is used to record and monitor a person's heartbeat. They are used by doctors for performing operations. Okay, so computer helps us to perform operations. Next is they used to keep records of all patients in hospital. Okay, next is they are used for preparing and printing medical reports of their patients. Okay, so these are the very important use of a computer in hospitals. Next is at railway station. So this is the image of a railway station. Okay, so computer are used to booking tickets. We all know that we can easily book tickets by using a computer. Next is they are used to know the arrival and departure time of trains and flights. They are used to keep a record of all passengers. So mainly computer is used to booking tickets at railway station and the departure and arrival times of trains and flights, and to record to keep a record of all passengers. Okay, next is in banks. Okay, computer are used to withdraw money from ATMs. The full form is of ATM is automated teller machine. Okay, the full form of ATM is automated teller machine. So we can easily withdraw money from the ATMs. Okay, next is they are used to maintain the records of all customers. They are used to do calculation. Okay, so these are the few uses of computer in banks. Next is at shopping malls. So customer can use to keep a list of item and their prices. Computers can be used to calculate, okay, calculate and making bills at the shopping malls. Next is office. In office there are different types of uses in of a computer. Okay, first is computer are used to type letters and documents. Okay, type letters and documents. Next is they are used to store large amount of information. Okay, we all know that computer has a storage device and we can store huge amount of data on a computer. Okay, next is they are used to perform calculation. Next is they are used to send and receive emails. Okay, next is for designing purpose. Okay, so computer are used by the designer to designing books, clothes and jewelry. Next is they are used by the architects to designing builds. Okay, so the computer helps us in designing field to design books, clothes and designing buildings, and the engineers design cars, aeroplanes and also the robots. Okay, next is for defense purpose. The computer used to keep the records of criminals. Okay, the computer are used to keep the records of criminals. Next is they are used for keeping records of defense equipments. Equipments means lots of things which are uses in the police station. Okay, next is they are used for communication. Okay, they are used for communication. That means we all know that computer uh, uh, has the internet connection and we can easily communicate with uh, any person around the world. Okay, next is they are used for controlling missiles. Okay, so these are the few uses of a computer for defense purpose. Next is for space research. Computer are used for space research and launching satellite. Okay, and for marketing, making animated movies, computer used to make animated movies 3D graphics. Okay, so these are the few places where the computer is being used. Okay, now the role of the computer in teaching, in learning and teaching. So computer have made learning new things easier and simpler for us. us. Using computer we can easily search information, okay, search information on any topic, play educational games and quizzes. So first is use of a smart board. We might have seen our teacher using a smart board in classroom. Smart board are connected to a computer. So this is the smart board, this is the picture of a smart board, okay, this is the picture of a smart board, and the teacher is used to use this smart board to teach the students, okay. The teacher shows the pictures and videos related to the lessons on a smart board, and this helps the student to understand and concept easily in a fun and playful manner, okay. So this is the smart board, and we can use this smart board for teach the student, okay. Next is use the internet. So nowadays internet can be used for searching information on any topic of our interest. We can use the internet to find information and related pictures to complete our assignment and project work easily. So internet means www, world wide web, okay. We can easily find any type of information on any topic, okay, on the internet. Next is educational series, okay. Many educational CDs are available on different subjects. This CD contains animated presentation and fun-filled activities that help students to learn more about the subjects. Next is improved presentation. Okay, improved presentation. By using a computer, the lesson can be present in a better manner. The teachers create presentation on the topic of discussion. This presentation contain visual effects, audio and narration that make learning so fun. So all of you are watching this video, okay, all of you are watching this video, and I also make the presentation first on the chapter of chapter number 2, role of a computer, and I also use these pictures, okay, I also use these pictures and also use the audio to explain the different types of things, okay, explain the different types of things. So similarly, using computer, the teacher can create a presentation in better manner, okay. And this presentation contains visual effect like these pictures, okay, visual effects, audio and narration that makes learning so fun. Next is the question answer part from this chapter. So first is tick mark, choose the correct answer. So first number one is, how does the computer helps in office? So it is used to type letters and documents. We all know that computer is used to type letters and documents in office. Next is number two, computer are used to withdraw monies from ATM. Okay, number two option is the correct answer. Next is, computer are used in library to keep records. Number two option, okay, to keep records of all books, okay, keep records of all books. Number four is, in hospital computer are used to keep records of all patients. So number C is the correct answer. Next is number 5, dash use the computer to keep records of all their patients, okay. So hospital use the computers to keep a record of all their patients, okay. So these are the tick mark from this chapter. Next is number 2, fill in the blanks with the given words below. So these are the words, okay. First is number 1, doctors take the help of the computers while operating a patient, okay. So operating is the first fill in the blanks, okay, this is the first fill in the blanks. Next is number 2, we use ATM. So we use ATM to take out money from banks. So number 2 is ATMs, okay, we use ATMs to take money from the bank. Number 3 is, we search for information of our interest by using the internet. So internet is number 3, okay, internet is number 3. Next is number 4, engineer use the computer to design cars. Okay, to design cars. So design is number 4. Next is teachers use the computer for typing schedules and circulars. So teacher is number 5. Okay, so these are the fill in the blanks from this chapter. Next is using the picture as clues. Okay, using the pictures as clues and name the place and purpose where the computer is being used. Write the name in the space of provide. So this is the ATM machine. Okay, so this is the ATM counter and we use the ATMs for withdrawing monies. Okay, so first number 1 is this is the ATM machine and we use the ATM machines for withdrawing monies, okay, from the bank. Okay, next is hospital. Okay, next is hospital, and in the hospital the computer is used the patient's illness. Okay, diagnosis the patient's illness. Okay, next is shopping malls. Next is shopping malls, and in the shopping malls the computer is used to making bills and to keep a record of list of items. Okay, next is defense purpose. The computer is used in the defense purpose and keep a record of all criminals. Okay, keep a record of all criminals. Next is the designing field. So in the designing field the computer is used to design car, clothes, etc., buildings. Okay, next is space research. So in the space research the computer is used to launch satellite. Okay, launch satellite. Next is answer the following questions. Number D. Okay, so first is list any two use of a computer in school. So number 1 is prepare timetables. Okay, prepare timetables. Next, number 2 is making the test paper and reports card. Number 2 is what are the smart boards and how they are helping in learning. So smart board is used to show the pictures and videos related to the relations, and it helps the students to understand the concept easily in a fun and playful manner. Number 3 is name the few things that can be designed by using the computer. So first is books, next is clothes, next is designing buildings, next is design cars, design aeroplanes and robots. Okay, so these are the few things which can be designing by using a computer. Okay, next is number 4. What are computers used in banks? We all know that the computer is used in banks for purpose of withdrawing monies, depositing monies, to keep a record of customers. Okay, etc. So these are the question answer from this chapter. Next is some inside fill in the blanks. Okay, first is choose the correct option from the and complete the given statement. Okay, first is we can use the computer at home to solve sums to launch satellite. So solve sum is the correct option. Okay, next is number 2, computer are used by doctor or architects. So doctor is the correct answer to diagnose a patient's illness. Okay, so doctor is the correct answer. Here you can see the number 1 is solve sum. Okay, number 3 is computer are used to withdraw money from ATMs or laboratories. So ATM is the correct option. Okay, next is number 4, the teacher use the computer for making test papers or medical reports. So test paper is the correct answer, test paper and reports cards. Okay, so these are the few insight fill in the blanks, okay, from this chapter. Okay, so I hope that all of you understand today's revision of chapter number 2, role of a computer. Okay, and all of you need to write this question answer on your computer copy, and um, also write the question answer on your computer copy and also learn this question answer. Okay, and all of you have to read the each and every chapter very carefully for your first term examination. Okay, please read each and every topic. Okay, So today I am ending my discussion here. In my next video I will start revision of a new chapter. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.